Hi guys! So today I will be teaching you to put a thumbnail on your YouTube video using iPhone. If you are new to this channel, please hit the like and the notification bell for more updates. So let's get started. What you need to do first is open up your YouTube studio, just like that. It will automatically open up the YouTube studio. So here, click the video you want to put a thumbnail on. For example, this is the video. Now, just click the pencil icon at the top, and then you can now edit the video. What you need to do next is click this photo with a plus icon right here, and now you can edit the thumbnail. You can either choose from the video or choose a thumbnail you have created. If you want the thumbnail you created, just click on what it says Custom Thumbnail, and then select the photo you like. Once you're done, just click Select. After that, click the Save button at the top right corner. So, that's basically it. For more videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.